Hello! This is a continuation of syllabication. Okay, rules. Now let's start with rule number 4. A word or a compound word is divided between the two words that makes the compound word. Therefore, here all you have to do is to separate the compound words. Okay? Teacher, what do you mean? Example, the word inside. Inside. How many vowel sounds can you hear from the word inside? Very good. There are two, the E and I. Now, how should we divide the word inside? Very good. It must be divided by in and side. Why? Because inside is a compound word. Next, number 2, example. Football. Football. How many vowel sounds can you hear here? Okay, there are 2 vowel sounds here. And how should we divide football? Correct. We should divide it as foot and ball. Correct. Next. How about the word toothbrush? How many vowel sounds can you hear from the word toothbrush? Correct. There are 2 vowel sounds here. And what are those? U, ah. Okay, very good. Now, how should we syllabicate toothbrush if there are 2 vowel sounds here? Very good. It must be divided as tooth and brush. Tooth and brush. Very good. Rule number 5. Rule number 5. When 2 or more consonants come between 2 vowels in a word, it is usually divided between the first 2 consonants. Teacher, this one is quite complicated. Can you please give us an example? Sure. Let's use the word sister. Notice that there are 2 consonants sitting beside each other. Those are the letter S and the letter T. Since S and T here are not consonant cluster, therefore we must separate them. Okay? It's okay to separate them. Now, how many times should we divide sister? Let's listen to their vowel sound. Sister. How many vowel sounds are here? 2. Very good. Therefore, how many syllables are there in the word sister? Correct. Also, 2. And how should we divide it? Into 2. Yes, we must have sister. Sister. Next example. How about the word butter? Butter. How should we divide butter? Very good. Teacher, we have to put the slash between the letter T. Now, my question is, how many times should we syllabicate butter? Very good. There are only 2 syllables in the word butter, and that is but and Why there are 2 syllables here? Yes, because there are 2 vowel sounds in the word butter. Another example. How about in the word hungry? Okay, be careful here. Hungry has NG and R, which are sitting beside each other. How should we syllabicate hungry? First, let's listen to the vowel sound. Hungry. How many vowel sounds are there? 2. Correct. Now, how should we divide hungry? Yes, very good. It should be hun and gri. Hun and gri. Okay, the G and R here are consonant cluster, and we should not separate them. Hungry. Very good. Rule number 5 is clear? Amazing. Now let's move to rule number 6. Rule number 6. When a single consonant comes between two vowels in a word, it is usually divided after the consonant if the vowel is short. Teacher, how will we know if the vowel is short? Okay, short vowel sounds are a, e, I, O, U. If these are the sounds of your vowels, therefore the next consonant must be beside this a, e, I, O, U. Example, in the word bag. Listen carefully to the vowel sound. Bag. Yes, the sound of letter A here is a short vowel sound. It sounds like a. Since it sounds like a, the sound of letter G must be pronounced right after it. Bag. Bag. Did I make myself clear? Okay, one more. Let's use the word collar. Collar. How many vowel sounds are here? Very good. There are two vowel sounds here. What are those vowel sounds? Okay, the sound O. Now, the sound O belongs to a, e, I, O. Therefore, it's a short vowel sound. Since it's a short vowel sound, the next letter or the next consonant letter after it must be pronounced or syllabicated along it. So it will be call or, call or, color, color. Try to listen also on the way you pronounce it. Color, right? You are actually pronouncing or you are actually saying the sound of L right after you say color, color. Am I clear? Use another example. Let's use another example. Let's use the word dragon. Dragon. How many vowel sounds are here? Two. Correct. So how many syllables are there in the word dragon? Very good. There are also two. Now listen to the vowel sound in the word dragon. Dragon. Okay, dragon. Now, what are the vowel sounds here? A, O. Okay, A and O. Now, how should we divide dragon? Very good. It must be drag on. Drag on. Correct. Next, let's have another example. Let's use the word canister. Canister. How many vowel sounds are there in the word canister? Canister. Very good. Teacher, there are three vowel sounds here. So how many syllables are there? Correct. There are also three syllables in the word canister. How should we syllabicate canister? Can is ter. Very good. Can is ter. Teacher, why should it be canister, not canister? Notice that the sound of A is A. Therefore, the letter N must be pronounced with this syllable. Next, the sound of I is E, which is also a short vowel sound. That is why we pronounce letter S along with it. Same goes with the letter E, which is pronounced as E, another short vowel sound. That is why the sound of letter R is pronounced along with it. Did I make myself clear? Okay, last one. Let's use the word habit. Habit. How many vowel sounds are there in the word habit? Correct, there are two. Therefore, how many syllables are there? Correct, there are also two. Now, what are the vowel sounds in the word habit? Okay, we have A and E. Correct. How should we syllabicate habit? Very good. It will be have and it. Teacher, why will we have and it? Notice that the sound of letter A here is short. It's pronounced as a. Since it's pronounced as a, the sound of letter B must be pronounced along with it. Have. Then, the sound of letter I is E, which is also a short vowel sound. Since it is a short vowel sound, the sound of the next consonant letter must also be pronounced along with it or right after it. Is that clear? Okay, very good. Now let's move to our rule number 7.